Many wannabe investors do not know the first thing about investing and getting started. Do you want to buy shares and funds but don't know how?
Today we show you how to choose an online investment platform that is suited to your unique circumstances and the steps that you need to take so you're able to buy and sell funds and shares at the click of a button. Let's check it out. Welcome to Money Unshackled, the investment channel that sets you and your finances free. I'm Andy and this is Ben, and if you like what we say, hit the like button and click subscribe. Let's get into it.
The platform research we're about to discuss comes courtesy of thisismoney.com. We've put the link to their article in the description below so you can check it out later. They've listed all of the top UK platforms and their associated fee structures, and we're going to use this to help you to choose a platform to start buying and selling shares through.
When choosing an online investment platform, you want to look for two main things: cost and functionality. You want the fees to be as low as possible, but be aware there are many fees that are looking to bite into your money pot. After all, it's how the investment platforms make their money.
These fees look small, but over 30 years of investing, they could erode your total investment pot by as much as half due to the effects of compounding. In summary, we want you to avoid fees.
Each platform is set up differently in their fee structures, but we can reduce fees by choosing the correct platform from the start for you.
The second thing that we're looking for here is functionality. Some of these platforms will only allow you to buy and sell funds. The Vanguard one, for instance, will only allow you to buy and sell 71 Vanguard funds. If you're interested in buying shares as opposed to funds, then these platforms are probably not for you.
So let's start with a review of the fees. These come in two main forms: ongoing fees and trading fees, which are the fees for buying and selling. We can filter out a few of the possible platforms from the list by looking at their ongoing fees, often known as the admin fees.
If you plan on having investments of tens of thousands in the next couple of years, you should be looking at a platform which has fixed admin fees. If you are planning on having less than this for the short to medium term, then you should probably be looking at a platform with a percentage admin fee.
This is because even small percentage fees will add up to a large amount when multiplied by a large pot size, and equally it is crazy to spend a large admin fee of say £100 a year when you only have a small pot.
A good choice for people with large pots is Interactive Investor. Here we can see that the ongoing fees are only £90 a year, and you actually get to claim this back in trades, so it can work out to be quite cheap as a proportion of your pot.
Good choices for people with smaller pot sizes are Vanguard and AJ Bell. These have low percentage fees of 0.15% and 0.25% respectively. If you invested £1,000, your annual ongoing fee would be just £1.50 or 12 pence a month. Not bad really.
We should also look at the trading fees, the costs of buying and selling. If you are planning on buying and selling shares regularly, then you should take advantage of the regular investing option available on many of these platforms. In most cases, this will only cost £1 or £1.50 per month to do so. If it says NA, the platform doesn't offer this function. We say a good rule of thumb is for your trading fee to be no more than 1% of your trade. So if the trading fee is £1, invest a minimum of £100 each time.
The normal trade fees on many of these platforms is £10. This is just for shares or ETFs, whereas funds are usually free or reduced price. For more information on ETFs, check out one of our videos. We'll put in a link in the description below. Spoiler, we absolutely love them.
If you want to buy shares, again, try to make your fees no more than 1% of your trade. For example, most of these platforms charge £10 per trade to buy shares. So, with that in mind, you want to ideally be spending no less than £1,000 per trade in order for your £10 fee to be no more than 1% of your total fees. If you do not want to invest as much as £1,000 in shares, then maybe shares are not for you and you should stick to funds which are far cheaper to buy into. or alternatively use regular investing.
Good choices if you want to buy shares are AJ Bell, Barclays Direct and Interactive Investor. If you're not interested in buying shares and are happy with just Vanguard funds, we would look at the Vanguard platform and look how cheap it is.
Another good option is Cavendish, which allows you to buy into hundreds of funds, not only the Vanguard ones. Check out our video on building a portfolio from Vanguard funds in the link below.
Finally, functionality. If you want the option to buy individual shares as well as funds, then don't sign up to the Vanguard or Cavendish platforms. They don't allow you to buy individual stocks. Good options are the Interactive Investor platform for people with large pots or the AJ Bell platform for those that have smaller pots.
If you don't care about extended functionality and just want to buy pre-selected funds, then we recommend the Vanguard platform. It is ridiculously cheap, and Vanguard are considered to be amongst the best funds in the world, so why would you want to look elsewhere anyway? If you want to buy just funds, but want more choice than Vanguard offers, then try Cavendish. It is also very cheap and gives you the choice of hundreds of funds. But if you have a larger pot of tens of thousands, then you will want to try Interactive Investor, as it has a fixed price admin fee.
All you need to do is now pick one of those platforms and start investing. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching. On this channel we talk a lot about personal finance, investing and all things money. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button below.
This is Money Unshackled. See you next time.